Welcome to a new session, projection of solids, a three-stage problem. Today we'll discuss. Today we'll start with the square pyramid. We start reading down the statement. A square pyramid 40 base sides and axis 60 long has a triangular face on the ground, and the top view of the axis makes an angle of 45 degree with the VP. Draw its projections. Take apex nearer to VP. Now before starting the problem, we should first read out the statement once again, and we'll try to study the words now to analyze the data given to us. Square pyramid is given. That means first in our mind we should have that particular object into imagination. This is a square pyramid having apex here, base edges, four base edges, square one. The important part of the object, the diagram in the question it has been mentioned as a triangular face on the ground. This triangular face has a base edge. So we have to take care either the base edge or the corner. Something has to be mentioned there. Here in our problem it is been given as a triangular face on the ground. That means somewhere this base edge is becoming one of the important object. This is the particular triangular face and base edge. This base edge is an important one. So this we will take on the right hand side. We will name it as CD and apex as O. So right from the first stage till last stage, we'll take care of this particular triangle. Okay, so let's start with the drawing part. First, we'll draw XY line, then we'll draw top view first. Here we are keeping base edge on the right hand side. Important part of the object we are keeping on the right hand side. If we are keeping base edge in the HP, right, then the entire base will be in HP, and this base can be seen as a true shape from top view. So we are satisfying the condition of HP in first stage. We are keeping base edge in HP. CD is the important part of the object. Axis height has been fixed to 60 Now in the second stage, in first stage since we are taking care of HP condition, second stage also comes out to be an HP only, right? This is type 1 problem. So in the second stage, we will take care of HP, and HP here it is, they are mentioned in terms of ground. Ground is nothing but horizontal plane. So triangular face is on the HP. Instead of ground, we'll say as on HP. So triangular face OCD is this triangle, right? And in front view, we are getting a line view of this one. So we'll take this particular this inclined line OCD on XY, and we'll redraw the diagram. All these dimensions are as it is in this stage, right? From here we will take all the points from observer's point of view. We'll drop all the points in downward direction to go for the top view in the second stage. Here we get the matrix A from top and A from left hand side is coming there, then B, C, D and apex O. Now first we'll connect all these points which are lying outside, because at any given time if observer sees the object, he is in a position to see the outline of the object. So the outline of the object will form by connecting all these points, right? Now from here if you see, A and B are base edges, as well as A separately is a corner and B is also a corner. So if a corner is nearer to the observer, all the three edges coming out from this corner will be visible. That has to be drawn by continuous line. We'll check out which are the three edges coming from A. So from first stage from A is connected to B first stage, sorry, A is connected to D, second edge, and A is connected to O, slant edge. So these three edges are coming from A. So here you check out A is connected to B, so this has to be drawn by a continuous line, visible one, and A is connected to D, already drawn as an outline of the object, and A is connected to O, which is already drawn as an outline object. Then B. B is also a corner which will have three edges. So we'll check it out. B is connected to A, already has been drawn. B is connected to C, already we had drawn as an outline. And B is connected to O. Again, this chart has been drawn. Now we'll go for the farthest away corner. Farthest away corner is C and D. So farthest away corners from there, whatever the three edges are coming up, all these three edges will be hidden, right? C is connected to D here. Please check out here. C is connected to D. So C is connected to D. It should be a hidden line, but it is forming an outline, so visible line is there. C is connected to B. So C is connected to B. Again, this should be hidden, but it is forming an outline, so it will be visible. And C is connected to O. So C is connected to O. So here we have to draw, and that will be a hidden one, right? So C to O will be a hidden line. Similar case for D. D to O will also be a hidden line. So these two hidden lines we have drawn. Now for the third stage, since we are satisfied the condition related to HP in the first stage, second stage also we are taking care of HP. So third stage becomes obviously for VP. So here it is said that top view of the axis makes an angle 45 degree with VP. So it is a beta angle, right? Because top view of the axis is making an angle, right? Plan line is there. So we'll draw first beta angle 45 degree. We'll draw the axis. This axis is a line coming from O. And then with respect to this line, will entirely this diagram will be redrawn now. Okay. We have to take care of apex. Here they have mentioned apex is near to VP. So when we are drawing top view, VP is always an XY line. So apex will be near XY line. So now we'll transfer all the points from top view to draw the final front view. We'll take all points one by one, and then from horizontal direction we'll take all the points, we'll name it. Now first we will connect all the points, right? We'll connect all the points which are lying outside, then we'll take care of all the lines which can be connected inside the diagram, right? The major thing is here, at any given time, whatever the orientation of object is there, outline will always be seen. That's why we are connecting all the points first. So O to C, C to D, then D to A to B, and B to O. This outline will form. So this is the outline. Now we have to take care of BC, right? So again we'll go with the concept which we have seen in the second stage. C is the corner which is nearest to the observer as compared to all the other corners. So all the three edges coming from C will be visible, right? It has to be drawn by visible line, dark line, continuous line. So C, from here we'll check out C is connected to O, C is connected to D, C is connected to B. Similar way here also, C is connected to O, C is connected to D, and C is also connected to B. So C to B will be a continuous line. Okay. So now we have got the relation between all the four base edges in final front view, A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A again. So all four base edges are been drawn. Now we have to take care of all four slant edges. Slant edges means O to A, O to B, O to C, and O to D. So here we have drawn from O to C, O to D has been drawn, O to B has been drawn, O to A is remaining. Okay. So for that we have to check out for A now. A is the corner which is farthest away from the observer, right? from the observer. A is the corner which is furthest away. So all the three edges coming out from A will be by hidden lines. So we'll check out which are those three edges. A is connected to B, A to D, and A to O. So A to B is forming an outline, so it should be there. A is connected to D, that is also forming an outline, so it should be there by continuous one. A is connected to O, which is not been drawn, so this will be by hidden line. Okay. Sometimes they are giving this apex nearer to VP, right? And sometimes they are saying away from VP. So this is the condition for nearer to VP. And if we go for away from VP, this will be the position, right? Angle remains same, 45 degree. And then accordingly, we can draw the final front view with the same concepts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for further updates.